Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I discussed 5 common mistakes that programmers should avoid. Today, we're going to dive into 5 essential skills that every developer should have.
Okay.
So, if this is your first time watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to get more programming content. To become a strong programmer, it's very essential to have a set of technical skills. Today, I will mention 5 most important skills that can increase your productivity as a programmer. The first one is typing speed skill. Typing speed is a valuable skill for developers because it directly impacts productivity and workflow. As a developer, much of your time is spent writing, editing code, debugging, and communicating with team members or clients. So you spend more time with your keyboard than with your family. And being able to type quickly and accurately can make a difference in how efficiently you complete tasks. So if you are a developer and you're still typing like this, this is how the team members will be while waiting for your task. So it's very important to improve your typing speed on keyboard. There are many websites that can help you to improve your keyboard typing skill. For example, typing.com is a great website for learning step-by-step and improving your keyboard typing skills. It offers free courses to help you master touch typing, and it's one of the best platforms available for enhancing typing speed and accuracy. Just 30 minutes of training a day for a month is enough to significantly improve your type level, and you will type like this. The second skill is problem solving. It's a very essential skill that every programmer should improve to be able to think through the steps of a solution and organize them logically to write efficient and functional code. As you know, the project contains thousands of lines of code, and building a high-quality system requires logical thinking and reasoning to develop algorithms and data structures that can solve specific problems. So having this skill will make you able to choose the perfect algorithm with the perfect data structure to solve a specific problem, not just looking for any solution without caring about the efficiency or the performance of the algorithms you use in your solution, as weak programmers do. The right way to develop this skill is to build projects as much as possible during your learning journey, because in each project you'll struggle with new problems, and after each problem you solve, you will get the ability to solve any other similar problem easily. Also, there are many websites are designed to challenge your problem-solving abilities. For example, LeetCode. This platform can help you think critically and develop your problem-solving skill. It provides a lot of problems of different levels with solutions for any language you want. So you should balance between building projects and solving problems on platforms like LeetCode to improve your problem-solving skills. Number 3. Skill of searching and using AI tools is one of the essential skills that developers need to develop in today's world. Effective research helps programmers find solutions to coding problems quickly and accurately, and with the advancement of AI, they can now use AI tools to significantly speed up this process. These tools can help you as a developer to debug errors, analyze performance, and also saving a lot of time and effort by handling routine tasks. I usually use Chat-GPT to help me remember the syntax, especially when I forget some details, particularly when working with databases. I ask Chat-GPT to generate tables that don't require special handling, then I review them quickly and use them in my projects. This saves me a lot of time and effort, allowing me to focus on the more complex tasks of the project. So you need to use AI to increase your productivity and learning more effectively instead of spending a lot of time searching for solutions for your problems in groups or forums. AI can provide you with quick and accurate solutions, enabling you to access knowledge in a more organized and efficient way. Number 4. Handling errors and bugs in programming is one of the most important skills a programmer should possess, because programming at its core is a process of problem solving, and every programmer will face errors in the code continuously. Therefore, it is crucial to have patience and not feel stressed when encountering a programming error, because the errors are a natural part of the programming process. And if you don't have the ability to accept the errors, handle them, and deal with them positively, you will find it very difficult to continue in this field. When you face a problem or a programming error, instead of worrying or giving up, you should see it as an opportunity to learn and improve your skills. Use logical thinking and research to identify the cause of the error and try to fix it. If you can handle errors calmly and continue to try finding solutions using your searching skill, you will find that programming becomes more enjoyable and productive, and you will become more efficient in facing future programming challenges. So you will never break your computer. Five, the ability of understanding and dealing with other people's code is also one of the most essential skills you must develop, because when you'll get a job, you will work in a team, and you'll always interact with code written by others. So, understanding how that code works and how to modify or improve it becomes crucial, because the ability to read code effectively allows you to understand the programming techniques used, spot potential errors or improvements, and collaborate smoothly with your team. To develop this skill, you can start by reading open source code from projects on platforms like Github and try to analyze the code and understand its structure. You can also practice by reviewing code written by your friends and try to understand each part of the code. Over time, with continuous practice, you'll become more proficient in reading code flexibly and effectively, which will help you work more efficiently in any team. You should know that creating a project from scratch can be relatively easy because you know the steps you need to follow. However, developing a project that is already created by someone else is more complex because each one has its own way of writing code, and you'll have to understand the followed structure to build the project. You may also deal with unorganized code or unclear, so it's difficult to work on and modify. Therefore, it's important to train yourself to handle these situations by reading the code of some projects and try to understand them. Over time and with practice, you'll become more capable of handling disorganized or difficult code and modify it easily. So, these are the 5 essential skills that you should focus on to become more productive and efficient in your programming journey. Remember, programming is not just about writing code, it's about solving problems, improving your skills, and adapting to new technologies. If you start developing these skills, you'll notice significant improvements in your workflow and overall programming abilities. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments section below. And I'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions on what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.